Peekaboo, I see you. Actually, no. Actually, you guys see me. Welcome! There's Dada in the house. He was first. Original recipe. It was in the house first. And then there was... Hold on. Let me just scroll up. Let's just do a... What do we call? A row call? I don't know. There's Feisty. Hello, Feisty. And there's Luke. And there's V4. And there's Sakura. And Mr. Moore. Welcome, everyone. Did I say hello to Luke? Luke again, just in case. So I'm gonna do a hard run, only knife mode today. Yes, you got it, V4. I'm kidding. You're right. But what I'm gonna do is, I'm going to start a new game. Dun dun dun. I'm gonna go on Madhouse. We're gonna go on Madhouse because I feel confident after beating it on easy and normal. Now it's time for Madhouse. And I've seen people getting really far into Madhouse and playing it for the first time. So, I'm confident. Come on. We can't see you. No, you can't see. No, you can't see my gameplay. You can see my awesome up and downing of the buttons. Feisty. All right. But you can see me. I am the stream. I am the stream. I am the island. I am the danger. All right. Let's go. Madhouse. Playing the Madhouse. Difficulty required to have cassette tapes in order to save the game. Guess what? It's the ink ribbons. It's the classic ink ribbons. But now we're gonna need the cassette tapes to save. All right. Maybe we're just leaving live before we back. Okay, one, no problem. Take your time. Thank you so much for stopping by already. So, yeah, we're gonna go. Oh, the save frequency has been reduced in this mode. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna shut up now during the cutscene because the game is still fresh. The cutscenes are still new to all of us. So let's enjoy the cutscene. But probably it's gonna take forever to load. No, it's not. Shh.
I just wanted to send a quick hello and I love you. Oh, good news. I'm gonna be coming home soon. Yay! Oh, I cannot wait to be done with this babysitting job and come home to my loving husband. I miss you. Oh, I gotta get back to work. I love you, Ethan. I miss you so much. I'm sending tons of kisses. Bye, baby.
Ethan. You were right. I did lie to you. I shouldn't have. All I can say is that if you get this, stay away.
It's so hard keeping my mouth shut during cutscenes. I can open my mouth again. But no, I have to shut up again. Shh, shh, shh.
Hello?
Hey, it's Ethan.
Oh, hey. You alright? You just disappeared the other night.
Yeah, no, I'm good. I'm good. It's Mia. She's not dead, she's alive. She's back.
They found her? How? What happened?
I don't know. Look, I don't know how, but she's back. She's back somehow. Maybe it's a prank, but she wants me to come and get her.
Where is she?
Dulvey, Louisiana.
Dude, it's been 3 years.
I know, but what if it is her? I have to find out what happened.
Game, I beat you 3 times already. 2 times. This is the 3rd time I'm gonna beat the game, and it's asking me to look around. Okay. There we go. So, that's a good one, Darth Wiffy, actually. That's a very good one. But now that we know the story already and looking at the videos again, now we're going to revisit the story. We're going to understand certain things. Why, for example, they refer to Ethan as daddy and refer to Mia as mommy. Now we know why. I also noticed how in the video, you can see the ocean. She was on the ship when she sent him the video. And now we understand why she called it a babysitting job, because she was looking after the bioweapon. Very interesting stuff, if I do say so myself. Who else is in chat? There was Darth Wiffy, and I also noticed someone else. Who was it? Sapphire! Hello, Sapphire! Hello. Alright, so, let us go. So, I'm gonna speedrun this like a pro. I'm gonna speedrun this. Flies will be the least of your problems, my friend. Check your objective. Okay. What does it say? Find me. Okay. Okay. I am not gonna ring the bell. I'm just gonna keep going. There's the van, and there's the logo of the guys who made the game look simply gone. I thought it was interesting. Oh, and by the way, Faced, if you're here, you're still here, yeah. I was watching your stream when the credits were coming up at the end. That logo came up as well, simply gone, when you were playing, what's it called? What was it called? Kingdom Hearts. Yeah. I thought it was noteworthy. Keep running, Ethan. He slowed down. Look, it's Jack. He's taking a stroll, and he walks funny for some reason. Let's keep going. Come on. We saw Jack. That's fine. Bye, crows. I'm speedrunning this. You see, guys, how far I'm getting already? I'm speedrunning this. Let's see how far I can get. Oh, hello, dead crows. I don't even need to check her bag. Ooh, do I? No, I'm not gonna check. I don't care. Let's keep going. I'm gonna try to save as much time as possible in this game now. Oops. Ran into the open door. We got it. We are in the demo right now. I never managed to open this drawer for some reason. I never managed to open this. I don't know. You know what? I should start checking drawers now because I require cassette tapes. No, I don't. There's nothing there. I require cassette tapes. I need to keep that in mind now. Ammo is very rare, apparently. Enemies take forever to get killed. That's gonna be fantastic. Look, a cassette tape. 2 of them, actually. How cool. How cool. I like it. It's very retro. I'm not gonna watch that. I'm sorry, I'm ignoring chat right now. What up, Vloggy? Everything is up. Everything is up. Won't read chat. Sorry. If Sakura says is annoyed that I'm not reading chat, I'm gonna have to scroll up. What is she saying? Vloginista yatuk hal al hal. You see, it's very broken Maltese. I mean, it's very Google translated Maltese, but I can still understand what you're saying. Eva. Sakura. Eva. Alright, let's keep going. What's going on? It did. By the way, it was a Nintendo Switch event. I was at a Nintendo Switch event. Really? When? Today? Was there a Nintendo Switch event today? Oh, you were at the Nintendo Switch event. Really? How cool. Can you do the stuff you can do in the demo? Well, I can do much more stuff than the demo. Hey, Mr. J! Julian is in the house! Alright, let's keep going. Let's go. I forgot that if I'm streaming it, I'm not gonna speedrun this. Hello? Hello? I wanna check the tapes real quick. What does it say? A tape used for recording. Put inside a tape recorder to use it. I'm gonna check it real quick, because this is a new item we've never seen before, so. Side A and side B, how cool. You guys remember these? You guys are all young, you don't remember these. Sticking a pencil, so you can actually pull the tape inside. That's why it's called a tape, because inside does actually look like a tape. How cool. Takes me back. I don't think I even have a tape somewhere. I don't think I do. Pianoforte. So yeah, played some Zelda Breath of the Wild. That's so good. Can you post the footage, or did you have to sign like a paper that you cannot post it? Blah blah blah. Because I work with a company, and sometimes we, when we have certain events, we have to make them sign certain papers, so that they cannot publish certain pictures and all that. So I understand. That is so cool. You should post it. If you are allowed to post it, you totally should. Make a nice vlog out of it.
Damn it.
Oh yeah, you do that. Original, you do that. Thank you so much for hanging out. Make sure to leave a like on your way out. And have a good night. Or afternoon. Or nap. See ya. But I had to record off screen. Oh yeah, there you go. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. I don't have gas. If it was me, I would have told you guys to check this out, and then I would do it. You know, that wasn't me. Okay? And that's the scariest part of this game. When there's farts and you don't know. Oh! Was it you? Was it you, Andre? Did you fart? That was Andre. Well, I can blame it on someone now, at least. Splatoon 2. I'm gonna use my character, I forgot. Oh, you. True just retweeted my stream. Thank you, True! Wherever you are, thank you. I appreciate. Here, have a syringe. I used one. A filthy syringe. I'm not gonna check anywhere. Mia's in there, I know. Grabbing the bolt cutters. Mia?
Mia?
3 hours into the stream from yesterday and Vloggy streaming now. Hey y'all! You can watch this one now, you don't have to. Come on, wake up, Mia.
Mia. Oh, thank God I found you. It's me. It's Ethan.
Ethan? Ethan?
Are you alright?
You shouldn't be here.
What do you mean? You contacted me.
No, I wouldn't.
I'm sure there's a mod of this game so that you can actually...
Did anyone see you? Did he see you?
True sent me a message. Well, he tweeted actually. He said,
need to go.
he said, I
We
want
need
to
to
watch,
go now.
but I'm gonna try to play it solo once I get the full experience. So he gets the full experience. I understand, True. I understand. I'm gonna watch the heck out of your stream.
Where are you taking me?
Someplace
Move it.
safe.
Move
Are
it.
you gonna tell me what's
Move it.
going on?
Move it. Can I just...
Baby, you've been gone 3 years.
3 years? Has it really been 3 years?
What's... These nuts. Thank you for the sub. These nuts. And for a second I was like, what sound? What sound was that? And then as soon as I was going to say that,
What
the
is this
notification
place?
came in.
What'd they do to you?
Not now. We need to get out of here first. I think it's this way.
Look guys, the game knows that you're going to crap your pants, so they gave us toilet paper already. Pick up toilet paper. I cannot overtake her. I have to wait till she walks.
Mia.
Red sun in the
Message
house.
you sent me.
Not me. That wasn't me.
But you did.
I didn't.
Okay, fine. Just tell me what's going on.
I'm telling you everything that I know. We have to go this way.
Mia, are you sure you know where you're going?
Family used to bring me food through here. I remember.
Return your house, you robbed your house. Uh-oh, that's not good. That is not good. This reminds me of Andre because I can't
There.
walk. Like the demo, you
It's
can't
there.
get past Andre, and this is exactly like that. I cannot get past me. I have to wait for her.
This is it.
I'm gonna take a sip. Oh no, I have to walk again.
I
You remember this room?
There's another door here. I'm sure of it. It's not here. It's gone. It's gone. We're gonna be a family now that you're here. There's another door here. I'm sure of it.
Come on, man, let's go. Come on. Get kidnapped.
No, leave me alone!
Is there a lockpick here somewhere? Well, I mean, there's no point in finding the lockpick, to be honest with you, because whatever item there is in that drawer is temporary anyway. So, yeah. Yeah, sure, why not? Okay, that's good. That's good. Alright, so we found at least medical items. No, I gasped because I thought the drawer was empty. Alright, what's going on? She's cute, don't let her die. Carl, keep watching. Tax iktar important. Sara millek, Carl. Sorry guys, that's a bit Maltese, I know, Carl. Carl, watch this. Carl, watch this. She's gonna let her die. Please, gents, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much, Sapphire. We would like, you did. Forget to subleave. Thug life. Red. Alright, guys, watch this. Carl, watch this because I know you haven't seen this, so. Put the volume up, Carl. Put the volume up. Don't be scared, Carl, okay? Don't be scared. You're a man. That's his girlfriend. Do you think she's still cute? Oh man.
Yeah. Wait!
I can hear her. I can feel her clawing her way back inside of me. Get out! Leave me alone! I've been bad. I deserve this.
Well, where's the knife? Where's the knife she was holding? That is the question. I know. Use. We're good. Where's the knife? Oh my goodness, I'm still damaged. Look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. I have to use another one. Wow, I'm still damaged. Did you guys see that? Wow. Hey, Dean Bean. Ooh, she got a hit. Oh, it was almost close to no damage. That's fine. Hey, Mech Knight's in the house! Mech Knight! Welcome! Man, I'm already damaged and I don't... Oh, wow. It's not good. This is not good. Can I not pick up the phone? I'm wondering. I have to. Because I have to trigger the event. Reminds me of my ex, Carl. Reminds me of my ex. All my exes, actually.
Man, what the fuck is going on?
Always. I leave them and then that happens. Always.
Attic.
Always. She's gone. Oopsie. She's gone. Out. And the door is broken. Ah, it's open now. Now, where do I go from here? We go... I'm trying to think. I'm trying to remember where... yes. Okay, many people miss this, but watch closely. Look at that. Did you guys see that? Did you guys see that? Let's go. Don't forget to save me up. Yes, this time I will save me up. It is the right ending. It is the correct ending. The first time I played it, I did save Mia, and yesterday I didn't save Mia because I wanted to see what happens if I save the other one. So, yeah.
Ethan, it's okay. It's okay, it's me. I know you didn't mean to hurt me. You shouldn't have done that! It fucking hurts!
Yeah, I try to tone down the situation. Come on, pull it out, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. She has a chainsaw, come on, she has a chainsaw, pull it out, seriously, come on, come on, come on, come on. Now you decide to... no, my hand.
Must contain outbreak. Gonna win.
My ex is still alive. Alright, get some rest, buddy. Thank you so much for dropping by. I'm gonna pick up my second hand. Get it? Second hand. Let's go. Let's go. There's nothing I can do. I have to, Okay, fine.
Okay, fine.
I got another first aid med. That's good. That's good. You know what I'm gonna do real quick? Hoping maybe there's something. No, there's nothing. Okay. I don't know why I'm panicking, but if Jackosaurus made it further than this already, and it's his first time playing it, come on, I can do this. It's his first time playing it, and get out of my face, get out of my face. I don't know why I'm destroying these because there's never anything, but maybe I'm hoping that because it's on Madhouse, maybe there would be something inside. Ooh, more ammo. I don't know if they were there before. When I say they were there before, it's, I mean, like, before my easy playthrough and my normal playthrough. Come on, please, boxes, be something in there, please, 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 no. No more ammo? Wow. Oh, yes, there is. How many do I have? Is this enough? Is it gonna be enough? It's gonna have to be. Vlog is 100% funny. 100% pro and funny. Alright, so Fusty is best with talking. KV is best with reading. Barry is... Red behavior. Alright, let's go. Climb up. Yeah, I realized it wasn't gonna be this easy. Alright, let's do this. What? Already got damaged? Seriously? Because I didn't quick turn. Get out of my face. Get out of my face, lady. Okay, reload.
They're relying on
Should I heal?
me.
No, I'm not gonna heal for now. Come on, lady.
Everyone.
Don't you dare make a run. Run. Oh. We're good. Stay away from me. Stay away from me, lady. No! Time to heal. Time to heal. Seriously? Time to heal? Seriously, there's enough time to heal? Oh my goodness! Really? Wow. Okay, okay, we don't need to see that. We really don't need to see that. I lost. That's fine. I did click the button. It wasn't enough. Come on, I was doing so well. I was doing so well. But it's a good opportunity to check the checkpoints. After this, Ethan and Mia will have to talk. Definitely. Can we both behave together? Let's go. Oh, alright. Alright, I see. It sets you back a little bit. Maybe I should heal right away? I don't know. This is on Madhouse, it's not easy, huh? And it starts you off with kind of a boss fight, pretty much. I consider boss fights if you are in a room and you can't get out, like, and you have to fight them. That's a boss fight for me. So I think this is a boss fight. A game that starts you with a boss fight. That's not cool, man. That's not cool.
Ethan, it's okay. It's okay. It's me.
Husband and wife arguments. Yep.
No, you didn't.
Yep.
Me.
You shouldn't have done that!
Can I skip? No.
It fucking hurts!
Yay, Bioshock! Yes! You got the game, I can't wait to start. You just got the game, yes. Let's start today. You're gonna love it, Bioshock. But Ethan's not gonna enjoy the next moment. Come on. Bye! No! Why would you defend with your hand? Like, if she has a chainsaw in her hand? Yeah, you have every right to laugh, Mia. You have every right to laugh. Because that was funny.
It's my job. Must contain.
She just said, must contain outbreak. That's why she told him to stay away.
Promise. Must burn it all down.
I'll pick up my... I already made this joke, but second hand? Let's go. I don't think it is. Just a hunch. I don't think it is. And I don't really want to say. Hang on, am I gonna lose my cassette tapes? It's very interesting to find out. I don't know if I'm gonna lose my cassette tapes. Usually lose everything. No, I think they'll be in the item box.
Okay.
I'm gonna heal, I don't care. There's no ammo in the boxes, so I'm not gonna waste my time again. There's gonna be ammo here. I forgot if there's any ammo here as well. Yes, there is. Thank you. There we go. You don't have to climb the stairs all the way up. You just do that. You see, now I can get damaged. Seriously, we're gonna make a run for it? Already? Really? Really? Wow, did you see that? She made a run for it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. No. No, come on. Seriously, did you guys see that? Oh, come on. Oh my, did you guys see that? She made a run for it. Oh man. That is so stupid. I have to do it again. My goodness, on Madhouse. Oh man, this is not good. This is not good. She made a run for it. Unbelievable. That's not good. What I hate is that I have to go through the cutscene again. I don't feel like going through the cutscene again.
Ethan, it's okay.
Be nice to our vlog. He's just
me.
PMSing. Before.
You shouldn't have done that! It fucking
I'm tired of
hurts!
this scene. Come on, come on, come on, stop it, come on. I want to skip this cutscene, but I can't.
Now, let's see what you feel.
Great Gray. Great Gray so far. Yeah, Great Gray indeed.
Must contain outbreak. Gonna quit. I promise. Must burn it all down.
I hope I don't have to. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna save actually. Not because I'm scared. I don't feel like doing it again over and over. This is my third attempt and it's annoying me now. I can't believe I have to save already. Oh, why did I come here? No. And please take that away from us. You don't want to see the hand. I'm gonna save. Oh, I'm gonna save. Let's save. Let's use a cassette tape. How cool, eh? And we're gonna start over. Yes. Yes, must contain outbreak. That's why she said stay away. Leave me alone. You shouldn't have come here. That's why. Because they're infected. She wants to keep it to themselves at least, if they're all infected. At least it's just them, you know? That's what it is.
Okay, fine.
I'm gonna heal because... Let's go. I don't feel like losing again, honestly. I want to get started. I want to start the game. If I see her make a run for it, I'm just gonna go through the door. Let's go. I'm gonna go through the door. Already making a run for it, you see that? What the? What? She didn't do the door thing? No! Come on! Seriously?
They're relying on me. Everyone relying
Oh my goodness, I'm already on danger.
on all has to come down.
I'm not gonna make it. I know I'm not gonna make it. Oh, come on! She's making a run for it. This is annoying. Is the aim good or bad? Oh my goodness, man. It's like I never beat this game before.
Okay, fine.
She's running towards me. No, I'm glad I saved. Cassette tape well spent. Did I just... Oh! Oh! Wow! Alright. I got an extra one. That's good to know. Let's go. her like crazy. Seriously, already. Oh, no, no. Oh, come on! Sis! Come on! Oh, come on! Come on! The door! The frickin' door! Oh my god, this game, man. I'm already regretting going for this mode. Ah, man. I can't even get past this. It's the beginning. Yeah, you can, Red. Please.
Okay.
You know why I'm doing this?
Fine.
It's not because for the... It's not... What? What? Oh, no, no, it's not this room. Sorry, it's not this room. I thought it was gone now. Like, what? No, no, no. Alright, 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 alright. Let's try again. She gonna make a run? Yes, she is.
I am responsible.
No, no, not when...
Don't need your pity. Go back home. They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone.
Oh, really?
Your help.
Oh, no. Oh, come on. Oh, my goodness. I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna end the stream. I'm gonna end the stream. Oh, okay. I don't need to see that. Is Fasty leaving? All right. Have a good night, buddy. Thank you so much for hanging out. Oh, man. What am I doing wrong?
Okay, fine.
So the boss fights are definitely harder. That's something to expect. I'm gonna try something. You see, she made a run for it. She was running. Let's go. No! Oh, come on!
Need your pity.
You're freaking kidding me with this! Oh my goodness! Hey, Evan! Oh man. How did Jackosaurus do this on his first try? Oh man. What am I doing wrong? I beat this game twice, I promise, guys. Maybe it was a fluke.
Fine.
I'm gonna stay this close now. I'm gonna try a new strategy. No, that didn't work. No, that didn't work. That didn't work. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. I need to start aiming for the head again. Yeah, the thing is, aiming for a headshot, trying to get a headshot is either a headshot or a miss, you know. And there's more misses than headshots in my case. I'm not really good, and it's so hard to get a headshot with the PS4 controller.
Okay, fine.
The thing is, it's not even giving me time to heal. It just happens so fast. Okay, out of my way, mannequin. Yeah, of course, reload now.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone!
Don't you dare make a run for it again.
You were always watching me.
Run, 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 run. I'm gonna try to get more headshots. I'm gonna try to get more headshots. Run.
What, mighty woman? What don't you want me to know?
Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Not now. Not now.
I want your help!
No, no, I'm so close. Ah! Oh my goodness, the rage. The rage. I want to cry. I was doing so well. I've been at it for almost an hour already. Wow. I mean, alright, there was the cutscenes and stuff, but seriously, the first part. Wow.
Okay, fine.
If I can't make this part, I don't know how I'm gonna do the other parts. Honestly. I may have to do this offline. Hey Sean, welcome. We need the Mario! Stop it because it's not funny. We need the Mario! Come on, come on. No, no! Seriously!
About me. Leave me.
Oh my goodness! Already on danger. No, this is not gonna work.
They're
Not gonna work. Sapphire. I wanna cry. I honestly wanna cry. I honestly wanna cry because this is impossible. I hate the fact that she's making a run for it. That is so cheap.
Okay, fine.
Come on. You have to get the headshots apparently here. Come on, game, don't be like that. Don't be that game. Don't make me end the stream out of rage. Because I will. I will! I'm gonna defend. I'm gonna try to defend this time. Maybe it helps. Oh wow, yeah, that's defending. That's some really good defending.
Leave me.
Oh wow. Can you quick turn scenes? Because I can't even read now. Can you quick turn seems to cause issues when you're running to have to turn around? Yeah, I can quick turn, but it doesn't always work. Look, I'm doing it right now. I'm doing it right now. Oh, he did it now. Do you have to be walking when you do it? Seems like it. So you cannot do it standing still. I have to do forward, then quick turn. Stop showing us that thing. Get that thing away from me.
Okay, fine.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna try something else. Again, a different tactic. We'll see if it works. I'm not gonna rely on it though. It's defending because I haven't been defending at all. So I'll try that. Let's see. There we go.
Don't need your pity.
They're relying on me.
No, did you see that box? Alright, so the defend works. I'm gonna have to defend more. I'm gonna have to rely on defending a lot. There we go. Defend, defend, defend! That didn't work. Defend didn't work this time. Oh, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh my goodness, I'm gonna wake up the neighbors today. Can I ask you something? But if Sapphire... Oh, I can't read. Can I ask you something? But if Sapphire to not know... I'm not following that sentence. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so... You could ask me. Ask me. Whatever. As long as it's not personal or awkward. Okay.
Fine. Fine.
So I can block. I'm gonna try blocking more. I'm here to block it from you. Make sure you behave. Alright then, let's do this. Wow, that's 8.
About me.
I didn't even hit once.
What are you hiding?
There you go, reload and then...
Need your pity.
Oh my goodness! Can I keep you as a pet? Are you Vloggy? I'm not pet. Let me pet you. I'm not in the mood for joking right now. Oh man. I am not in the mood for joking. I'm honestly really annoyed right now, huh? I don't know how I'm not doing this.
Okay, fine.
I feel like such a noob right now. But at least I'm defending against her first initial attack. So that... And apparently when he's reloading... Look.
On your house!
No! Out, out, out.
They're relying on me.
Crap.
Everyone is relying on me. Everyone!
What? No! No! No!
What are you hiding? What don't you want me to know?
Come on.
The core must be destroyed.
Where is she? Oh my goodness, don't tell me she glitched out. Can I abuse this? She glitched out. Definitely she glitched out. Can I abuse this? She glitched out. I'm gonna start walking slowly, slowly.
No. No choice.
She glitched out.
The core must be destroyed.
She glitched out.
No. No choice.
Alright, here she comes. Yeah, I'm gonna do actually. Not good. Oh, come on! I ran out of ammo. Hey, Eric. My goodness, I cannot get past this. I cannot get past this. It's amazing. I'm shaking right now. I better laugh. I think it's better if you laugh. You laugh this off.
Okay, fine.
It's amazing. Nice. Don't pick them up. Don't pick them up because you don't need them. Alright, let's try again. It's not easy. Sometimes he just doesn't move. Sometimes he just sits there and take it.
They're relying on me.
the headshots. I need to get those headshots, but it's so hard. Look, he's not gonna. I told you, he's not.
Want your help.
And there we go. Oh my goodness. What's my cholesterol level, right? I think you mean to ask me about my blood pressure right now. We should totally do that one day. We should have a stream where it monitors my blood pressure. A rage game. A rage-inducing game. But no, a game enrages me when it can be beaten.
Okay, fine.
It rages me when it's unfair. Like, how do I explain this? When it's a rage game, it's not gonna rage me because I know it's meant to do that. But this, especially knowing how many people actually finish this game on their first attempt on Madhouse, how the heck am I not doing this? Did I not pick these up? No, I didn't. Nice. What the? Oh, you're kidding me! What the heck is going on right now? Am I on the other side of the room? Oh my goodness, it glitched out. Blood pressure stream. This before I start the stream, I was wondering whether I should try this on Madhouse mode off stream or on stream. Like, nah, I can do this. People are doing it. Why not me?
Fine.
And it doesn't always get the right defend move, so, alright.
Everyone is relying on me. Everyone!
And here it comes.
I am responsible. Don't need your pity.
No! Can I make a run for it? Why are you killing her? I'm just missing my shots. Oh!
Leave me. I have to do this. Don't understand.
I'm about to give up. I'm very close to give up. It's easy to say, Red. It's easy to say it. You try it. It's very easy to say.
Okay, fine.
Sometimes blocking doesn't even work. And while you're doing something, you can't do anything else. If I am currently healing, I cannot pick up any items, I cannot block, I cannot, you know, it's... Fine then, buy me the game. You know what, if this keeps up, I'm gonna send you my game, you can have it.
Want your help?
You see? It don't work, it don't work.
Leave me. They're relying on me.
I'm gonna stop aiming for the head because of this. I'm just wasting ammo.
Everyone.
No, no!
Leave me to die. You don't understand.
Please reload your gun whenever you get a chance, thank you very much. You see, I healed and I'm still damaged, look at that.
What are you hiding? What don't you want me to know?
You know what I'll do? I'll break the game. I'll take the discount and I'll break it. In midstream. Oh, I'm out of ammo! There we go. That's how we roll. I have to get headshots! I have to get headshots! I have to get those headshots. So okay, so blocking needs 2 to 3 seconds. No, it's not that either. No, it's not that. No. It's not about that either. No. It's just I think maybe it's random. I don't know. I can't believe this.
Okay, fine.
I can't believe I can't do this. I cannot believe I'm stuck at the beginning. That's what's annoying me. That's what's enraging me. If I got stuck halfway through the game, or maybe the final boss, that would be understandable. But man, this soon? I need to get those headshots. Turn around!
Leave me to die.
It's so hard to get the headshots.
Leave me. What are you hiding? What don't you want? Forget about me.
Nope. The ones at the bottom we don't get. No! Oh my goodness! A 3-hit combo. Did you guys see that? 20 headshots. No, it's not 20 headshots. No. No case, there's not 20 headshots either.
Okay, fine.
Let me show you how wrong you are. That it doesn't take 20 headshots. You don't even get 20 bullets. That's how wrong you are. Look. Oh, wow, you do get 20 bullets. Actually, 20 plus the 7 inside. Ooh. No, but it's not 20 headshots. You're right. Come on, lady. Okay, fine. Don't get my help. Where's the door? Where's the door? Takes forever to reload. Nice, 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 nice.
They're relying on you.
Nope, that's the bottom one. No, no, no! Whenever she does that, it's done!
What are you hiding, Ethan? What don't you want me to know? Don't need your pity. Stop it! No. No choice.
All right, here we go.
That's about me.
I'm not gonna make it.
I have to do this. It all has to. Leave me to die.
Nope. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, I'm so dead. I am so dead. That's it. I'm gonna rage. I'm gonna rage quit.
Continue. She must
Nice.
be contained.
I'm out of ammo now.
Don't want your help.
Change weapon. Look at this time. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. That's it. I'm not gonna make this. Last attempt. Last attempt. I will end the stream. I'm not even kidding. Last attempt. This is ridiculous. How
Okay.
long does he take from?
Fine.
Oh, nice. Waste the bullet. No, you know what? No. All right. Let's try again. I wanted to check how long it takes him to switch weapons because he has a missing hand. And instead I wasted a bullet.
Okay.
So, let's say I'm
Fine.
aiming and I want to switch weapon. Well, it's pretty fast. Well, now. So I was thinking maybe I shoot and then I swing the axe. I wonder. I wonder. But after each action, after blocking for instance, he goes into a stun mode kind of, before he can do the next action. Like reloading a gun, or making a quick turn, or whatever, or healing. This is the hardest part. I always think this is the hardest part of the game, until you find the weapon. First we're gonna have to block.
Want your help!
We get a headshot. We get another headshot. Then probably run.
They're relying on
And
me.
then switch. And then switch. Reload.
Everyone! Forget about me.
No!
Leave me
Turn around!
to me.
Seriously! Seriously!
Don't need your pity.
I shot her in the head and she still got the attack. Reload! Reload whenever you want, whenever you get a chance, whenever you feel like it.
What?
There we go.
Leave me to die. Stop it.
Oh my goodness, it takes forever to reload!
The core.
Even to make the
Core
turn.
must be destroyed. I don't want your help.
I am shaking right now. Well, that was a good save. That's a good thing that I saved, eh? I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
To get those headshots. There's no point in shooting right now.
Want your help.
But maybe.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone.
No, I can't get past her.
Go back home. You don't understand.
What? Oh my goodness, not even a shot.
Okay, fine.
No, no circles. No circles.
Want your help!
She has two kinds of attacks.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone! Forget about me. I have to do this.
Turn around! Quick turn! And I'm panicking, that's the thing.
Go back home. What are you hiding? And what don't you want me to? Don't need your pity.
Thank you! Turn around. Nice, not even a hit.
Want your help!
You don't understand. Forget about me.
Oh, there we go.
I am responsible. Leave me to die. The core must be destroyed. Don't need your pity.
No. There we go. No more healing. Right? Nope. No more healing.
Want your help!
Oh!
Why?
That's it. I'm done. I keep saying last attempt, but scruff for tips when you read this. Alright, let's see. Let's see, because I'm a noob and I need tips because I haven't finished this game like 5 times, or not 5 times, but 2 times. Alright, let's see. What's this? McKnight, 4 Red Bulls. Albert Wesker is in a coma. Sleep 10 hours and not coming to stream. What's going on? Shut up, McKnight. Yes, I'm still here. Use the room where you get the gun. She breaks the wall. Yeah, I know that. I know she does that, but... I know that. I know she breaks the wall, but... Alright. It's annoying me. You know why? You know why? Because something keeps telling me it's easy. Why can't you do this? You're the only one that can't do it. I've seen people playing it for the first time.
Okay.
I've seen people doing this on their first attempt. Like, their first time playing the game. Why am I not doing this? Maybe I should give up on headshots, maybe just go for random shots. You see, there's like a cooldown period when he's Alright. Yeah, but again, I'm gonna go back to Jackosaurus. Jackosaurus is playing it for the first time ever on Madhouse. and he did it!
Leave me to die.
Out.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone!
Oh, I just had an idea. Well... You see, that when he's reloading the freaking gun, he doesn't defend.
It's up to me.
I think she's going behind me now.
What are you hiding then?
Yeah, alright. I got you, princess. Oh, what? What? You didn't even reload? You got me damaged, but you didn't even reload. You're freaking kidding me right now.
You don't understand.
I am responsible.
How do I create a circle? No, the room does not. No, I can't create a circle. He's not gonna reload. Oh, this is the circle that I can create. Look at this. This is the circle that I can create.
No. No choice.
And now I'm out of ammo. Whoa! Whoa! What the heck?
Need your pity.
And now I'm out of ammo. Right? Yes.
She must be contained. Nicole! Leave me!
Hello, Jill. You're not catching me at my best moment right now. My goodness. You know the best part is I hate this part so much. It's too violent for my kind. It's too much. I hate it with a passion, and I have to keep doing it over and over again. I have to get the headshots. Her lunch, this is quite impressive. Let's go. There's no point in defending.
Leave me to die.
And then let's create this circle. Come on, turn the freaking round! Ah!
About me. They're relying
She's gonna-
on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone! Don't want your help! I am responsible. Don't need your pity.
This is the circle that you were talking about, and I understand now.
I have. Leave me to die. What are you hiding, Ethan? What
Have you been hiding from me?
No, no choice. Forget about me.
Guys, I'm doing this. I know I am.
The core must be destroyed. Don't want your help. No choice.
No! That was close.
It all has to come down. You don't understand. Don't need your pity.
Oh, that's better actually. Good.
Leave me to die. You were always watching me. Why?
Wait.
Forget about me.
Involved.
Contained. We must be contained.
I only have 2 shots left. I have to make these count. That's it. What? He doesn't defend with the...
Want your help!
No, he has to defend with the thing. No. No, he doesn't defend.
Need your pity.
Oh, he doesn't defend. He doesn't defend with the thing. With the gun. I have to keep switching then. With the axe he doesn't defend, so I have to keep switching back and forth. Alright, wow, this is gonna take a while. But now I'm getting the hang of it. I did create the circle. Alright. Now I feel like I'm making progress. With the first boss ever of the game. I haven't even started the game.
Okay, fine.
We've been okay and fine for a while, Ethan. But now I've got the strategy. I know her attacks now, I know what she does. I think I was Shiro. I don't know if I said hi to you. I'm sorry if I didn't. She's gonna take a run. Gonna make a run for it right away. Look, like, what? I forgot to block. I used the wrong button to block. Hang on, did I use the wrong? I used the wrong button to block earlier as well. He does block with the axe. I was pressing the wrong button. Okay, okay. We're learning, we're still learning. Yeah, I wanted to make a joke, but I was so annoyed about dying several times. I wanted to make a joke about him missing a hand and he just found a handgun. Even the gun is mocking him. No, but... Okay, we're gonna do this. I have a feeling we're gonna do this now. This is the block button, not the other one, buddy. This is the aim. This is the block. This is the aim. This is the block. I confused the buttons earlier. We're gonna do this. And it's gonna get better now, I think, because once I get my Albert gun and my defense coin, it's gonna get better. But I have to make it to... Let's go. Come on. Okay, fine. Take my bullets then. Turn! Quick turn! Quick turn! The quick turn doesn't always work. I think this is headshots, but...
Leave me to die.
They're relying on me.
I think he's gonna go around.
Is relying on me. Everyone.
Okay, babe. Come get it. Come get it, honey.
Don't need your pity. Enough to me.
Come on, destroy that door. Yes, you make it easy. Turn around, quick turn, please.
What are you hiding, Ethan? What? Forget about me.
The value of defending. Oh, no! refuse, I refuse, I refuse. I just made a mistake, that's all. So I take the blame for that one.
Okay, fine.
It's been almost 2 hours and I'm still at this part. Unbelievable. Ridiculous.
They're relying on me. Everyone is relying on me. Everyone!
Here it comes.
I don't want your help! I have to do this.
She's destroying the door.
What are you hiding, then? What don't leave me to die? You don't understand. Forget about me. No choice. No choice.
This is the circle we've created. I mean, this is the only way I can think of right now.
Need your pity.
Run.
The core must be destroyed. I have
Oh!
stop it.
Be careful. Be careful, buddy. Okay, we're not gonna be able to do that.
No. No choice.
I want your help.
I am responsible.
Come on, babe.
Continue. We must.
Nope.
Continue.
Sure, someone on me this time. My bad. Nope.
Leave me to die.
That's why she's saying the outbreak must be contained. She wants to make sure that's just the family that's infected, no more other people that, you know.
It all has to come down.
4 bullets left to go. Really?
You were always watching me. Why? I have to do this. I love you.
I did it. 2 hours later, almost 2 hours later. Oh man. Oh!
Welcome to the family.
He scared me. Wow, Kaiser. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for the tips, everyone. Wow, thank you for bearing with me on that one. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Thank you, Sean. That was horrible.
Come on. Don't you die on us now. You have work to do.
Yeah, I got a little heart attack too. Have fun. Wow. I am shaking right now. Well, I've been shaking for a while. Whew.
Where am I? What the hell?
Rise and shine, sleepyhead. It's time for supper.
Who are all you people? Where's Mia?
Eat it. It's good.
Dumb son bitch wasn't no good if it hit him.
Yes.
Not again. Get out the way, Margaret. His boy's got to eat. He got to have his supper. Come here, boy. Let's do this.
Shit, he's not eating the jack.
It sounds like I need a drink. I would love a drink, but the thing is, I need to focus on the game. I don't want to.
Son of a bitch. Oh, I can't believe it. He's son of a bitch. He's not eating it. He's not eating it.
This was supposed to be a very special feast. Come on, boy.
They are actually eating what it looks like from my professional experience. Alright? From my professional experience. It looks like... What's that called? If you get me a second, because I only know the word in Maltese. I'm gonna tell you exactly what they're eating actually. Hold on.
I'm coming back.
Translate. Hold on. In Maltese. It's kirsha. Tripe. They're eating tripe. It's human tripe though. Human tripe. That's what it is. I don't know if I said hi to you, Mark. I was so stressed out. But hi. Human organs. Yes, it's human tripe. It looks like from my professional experience, okay? I am the son of a butcher. And this looks like human tripe. It looks like tripe. And we know they're eating humans. This looks like tripe. Intestines. Let me show you guys in the fridge. Look. And how do I know it's human? Because it says June 30th, male 20s, portly, barbecue. Again, female 50s, meaty, saute. April 25th, male 30s, lean, gumbo. I don't know what gumbo is. Hey, Sailor Mars, how are you? Haggis. I think, yeah, maybe it's haggis. Maybe it's also known as haggis. No, it's not haggis. Haggis is like the blood thing, yeah? No, it's not haggis. So, yeah. Let's keep going. My goodness, it gave me such a hard time. I don't know if you missed it. I don't know if you were lurking, Sailor Mars. But wow. Look at this. Hey, bro. Look, it's going to get clearer, the image now. Look, because I got close to it. I think it will. Is it? No? Is it not? Usually it gets really clear, but it's not. It's called Hey Bro. I like the Hey Bro. Alright, so there's actually there's an herbage here. I need to start. No herb. Oh, you see, guys, you see it's gonna get harder. The game is gonna get harder. There should have been an herb in the bin, but there isn't. Oh, GG game. GG. Nice. The resources in the game are even rarer now, huh? Okay. I need to be very, very, very careful with my resources now because... Alright, this is tough. Come on, quick turn! He sees me seriously. And there we go.
Dinner was done? Oh, I was so worried about you.
I'll get out of this thing.
God, how am I gonna replace this?
What? He grabbed me already? What? What the heck? How fast is he? What the heck? Oh my goodness, this game, man.
Sorry, boy. You alright?
He's faster. Alright, that's fine. Let's retry. Wow, man, I'm dying in every scenario, huh? He is so fast. He wasn't like that in the previous game. Let's go again. Did I pick up the coin? Nope. Nothing in there, yeah? Can I? Yes, I can quick turn while I'm crouching. Okay. That's good to know. He still sees me. Unbelievable. There we go. I'm gonna get it now.
Dinner was done?
Found you!
He's catching me! my goodness! This is impossible! What?
I got the gift for it all.
Oh my goodness.
Came to the wrong house, boy. Wrong house, boy. You can do it.
What the fuck?
He's daddy.
No! 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 Get in there!
All right. Have fun in there, boy. I'm gonna come back for you later.
Oh my goodness, how hard this is. Wow. The game just got really, really hard, huh? No herbage, no herbage, no, no, no. Hey, bro. Oh, the brand is all hey, bro. Hey, bro, feel fresh. Oh, man. Look at that. Sometimes it loses its resolution, kind of, like the graphic thingy. Alright, wow. Let's go. No, I didn't expect them to be strong. I honestly thought that the only difference between this mode and other modes was the lack of healing items, perhaps, and maybe the enemy's a bit stronger, but not faster. Thank you. Look, more tapes. I love it. Oh, so I have 2 tapes now. What about the ones in the box? I saved one. I still got the dirty coin. That's interesting. The Secrets of Defense. Hold on. Alright, so I've got the cassette tapes as well. I like that, so put them in the box. The antique coin, put that there. Wow, I keep getting the dirty coin now in every game that I play, even though I spend it. I like that. I'll take my Albert. Thank you very much. The Secret of Defense. Let's take a look at this one. Reduces damage when guarding. Effects are maximized when paired with the Essence of Defense. Reduces damage when guarding. I like that. I'm gonna keep that with me. That's good. Okay. Oh, I don't know what Jack did, honestly. I honestly don't know what he did, but when I was watching him, he got further, much further. Not gonna use it for now. Anything in here? No. I need to be careful. I need to make sure I don't miss anything because, man, it's hard. Now I have the Albert gun at least. Look at that. Yeah, baby. The problem is with this gun is that it needs to reload. Oh, there's an herbage over there. Okay. So can I healage? I'm not gonna bother with the Mr. Everywhere things. I'm not gonna check the socks. actually this way. Ah, it's in the room, I forgot. Yeah. Wazza! Come on, pick it up. How do you regenerate? Hi, Elton. Well, I mean regenerate. You use the
Zoe, right?
the bottles of
Fuck are they?
Shut up and
first
listen
aid
if
meds,
you want to stay alive.
basically.
You gotta get out of that house. There might be a way out through the main hall.
All right.
Oh, and that thing on your wrist is a codex. Don't lose it. It's important.
Hell of a girl.
I'm gonna look around again because I missed checking here. Nothing. And I'm gonna leave this open. Neurounds. Wow, I found the neurounds already. I don't need the neurounds though. Nothing. Now I'm nervous about another thing. I should probably save. Because I really don't feel like doing it over again. So I'm gonna save. I don't care. Get the tapes. I don't need the new round for now, and I don't need the separating agent either. What I do need, can I just take one out, move one? Yes, alright, there we go. Wow. I am not gonna finish this in one sitting. Wow, it's already 2 AM here. Wow. Alright, we're done. I need to go check the other area so that I will trigger the cop. There we go. I know, does it explain how you connect? Yes, look what it says. Closes up wounds and promotes cell regeneration. You see? It regenerates cell, so that's why he was able to reattach his limbs, because... Limbs? Do you say limbs? His foot. I don't know.
Open up!
Hey, you gotta help me.
Hold on, back up. Now, sir, do you live here? I mean, is this your property?
What? Me? No. No.
All right. Now, we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
Now, calm down.
You're not listening to me. There are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be...
He reminds me of,
I'll tell you whatever you want.
Marvin, the cop from Resident Evil 2. I don't know why.
Like now,
Maybe it's a reference,
meet
I
me
don't
in the
know.
garage. We'll talk there.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. Now, do you want to see my name in the obituaries? Or do you want to be a hero and save my life?
I think limbs are hands, right? When I said limbs.
A fucking pocket knife?
Here. Take it. That's all you're gonna get. Now go. Garage. Now.
What am I gonna do with a knife?
A lot, actually. Handgun rounds. Nice. Now the problem with this gun is that... Let me just go get the these guys. I don't even know what they're for, but I'm just gonna do it because OCD, really. I don't know why I'm doing it now. I could be dying and I have to restart this. Let's go. Madhouse difficulty is cray cray, huh?
Hey, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now, first you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me. Hey, put that door back. Put that door back up. Wait!
Fuck it! I'm gonna kill him.
He's so strong. He's already got me. Whoa. What? What?
Pathetic.
What? He broke my hand. My arm. You're kidding me. Wow. I'm losing in every single fight. And yes! I have to do everything all over again. And I can't skip the cutscenes. I have to keep watching the cutscenes over and over again. Right? Yeah.
Hey, you! Hey, over here!
Hey, you gotta help me.
Hold on, back up. Now, sir, do you live here? I mean, is this your property?
What? Me? No. No.
All right. Now, we got several calls
No, the
about
Wesker's gun.
missing
The
persons
Wesker's
lately.
Wesker gun. Wesker. It's an Albert gun. The Albert gun is more powerful. No, it is more powerful, but
there are crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
All right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
All right. Now, that's more like it. Now, meet me in the garage. We'll talk there.
Hey, wait. You gotta give me your gun.
You must have lost your mind.
Look, officer.
Deputy.
Right. Deputy. Now, do you want to see my name in the obituaries?
should
I
I
want to be a hero and save my life.
should I save again? I don't want to save again. And I'm sure I'm gonna die again a couple of times.
Here. Take it. That's all you're gonna get.
I know I'm gonna die a couple of times again.
Go. Garage. Now.
I shouldn't have saved.
What am I gonna do with a knife? Hey, we gotta get the fuck out of here.
Now, first you need to tell me what you're doing out here alone in the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
No, it's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
You're not gonna believe me if I told you.
Try me. Hey, put that door back. Put that door back up. Wait!
Fuck it! I'm gonna kill every one of you!
Key, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out.
Come on!
Where's the key? No key? No key for the car? And I'm dead. There's no key for the car this time. Okay, it's fine. We got it. We got it. Yes. No, there's no key to the car now. I didn't see the key for the car. Try it one more time. If I die, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it. Because this is gonna be a very long stream and I don't feel like... It's not gonna be entertaining. It's gonna be rage-inducing. I'm gonna... No. I'm gonna end the stream if I don't make it. And I think I'll play this offline, to be honest with you. Because there's too much repeating. I have to endure the cutscenes. The cutscenes are the most painful part.
Hey!
The car key is in the orange toolbox. You need the lockpick in the corner where the locker...
Hey, over here!
Oh, why don't I have the lockpick? Where did I put the lock... Did I not pick... No, I don't have a lockpick, do I? Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. The lockpick and... Wow, it's even harder to get the car key now. So it's even harder to get the car key. Wow, Grizzo, thank you so much.
Hey, you got...
So it's even harder. No, you see, there's gonna be a lot of do-overs, and I don't have time to stream all that.
What? Me? No. No.
All right. Now, we got several calls about some missing persons lately.
You don't understand. I gotta get out of here.
An orange toolbox. You need lockpick? Okay.
You're not listening.
Hey, God, that's still
There are
lurking.
crazy people in this house trying to fucking kill me.
Well, all right. Let me tell you this. You don't exactly seem like you playing with a full deck yourself, all right?
Are you kidding me?
Look, like I said, we've had several missing persons calls. And I can't rule out that an outsider like yourself may not be involved.
All right. I'll tell you whatever you want.
And he's so faster. He's
like
so much faster, Jack. Oh my goodness.
We'll talk later.
Hey, wait.
You see, but this is why I'm not gonna keep streaming, because if I keep dying, I have to keep watching the cutscenes over and over and over and over, and it's painful.
Deputy.
Right.
I'll probably do this offline.
Deputy. But do you want to see my name in the obituaries? Or do you want to be a hero and save my life? A fucking pocket knife?
Here. Take it. That's all you're gonna get. Now go. Garage. Now.
What am I gonna do with a knife?
Oh yeah, I didn't push the button. Come on. Yeah, I feel like it makes me. This game is making me feel like I've never played this before. I already beat this game twice. Dang it!
In the middle of the night.
Me? What about you?
It's my job. Won't you do your job and tell me? Answer my questions.
The biggest pain is the baker's teleporting into other rooms where you need to go in this moment. Yeah, exactly. I already had to deal with Jack.
Fuck it! I'm gonna kill everyone.
Gotcha. Oh!
Shut up!
Get in, get in, get in. It's like he's in full speed. He's in fast mode. Jack, look at him. Even the way he gets up, like. Yeah, I get it. But you see, thanks to you now.
Nice car, Ethan.
It is a nice car. But you're destroying it. You don't like cars, Baker. You don't like. Uh-oh. No, no, please no. No, please
Let's
no.
finish this.
No,
you
please
and
no.
I. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take you for a ride. No, 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 no!
Get out, get out, get out. Come on, come on, get out, get out. You can do this. You can do this. You're okay, you're okay, you're okay. Get out, get out. Can you get out of the car, please? I need to heal. Out my gun. Oh, nice.
Oh boy! This isn't the end, you know?
Wow. Resident Evil 7, where meth was evolved into something else. Wow. Wow, huh? A big wow at this game. It's really... I'm gonna take the handgun just in case I run out of ammo. I'm gonna check the stuff properly now because I was too busy. No, no, no! Why did he decide to climb? No. Thank you, Jill.
Boy, you're about to see something wonderful.
You see, but if it wasn't for Grizzo, I wouldn't have had the time to look for the key and stuff. So, yeah. We're done here, yeah? I don't think there's anything else to pick up. The Baker family started at the finish line and then took it a step further. Alright. Antique coin, thank you. With the coins, I decided not to opt in for the Magnum gun this time. There's so many differences, it's not just the difficulty. Oh yeah, I forgot to eliminate these now, because earlier I did it, and then I died. Hold on, did I see something on the floor? Wow. Wow. How well hidden they are, certain things. Why am I here again? I got the coin, I'm gonna put it back there, because for now, I'm not gonna need it. And there was one here. I don't see the point of these, to be honest with you. I don't really know what they're for, breaking them. You just get it at the end of the stats. It says you destroyed so much out of so much, but whatever. Okay. Oh, look! There's one of those cages here already! Whoa, look at this! You see how many differences there is in the game? Whoa! So what is this? Assault coin increases your attack power. Whoa! Iron defense increases your defenses. Scorpion key. What? You can get the scorpion key right away? Seriously? Wow! With only 3 coins? Look at this, guys! Whoa! I mean, I'm sorry, this is new to me. So fantastic.
Did my daddy give you a hard time?
That's your father?
He used to be.
I'm sorry, but he's dead now.
You just might be able to pull this off.
What? Pull what off?
There's something I need you to do, but I can't explain it right now. You may need some sort of keys to do it, but find a way out of the house.
Okay.
I'll be in touch.
To be honest, I don't know if... Another antique coin. Wow. Look, I like this. Look who wrote this article. It's Alyssa Ashcroft from Outbreak. Oh yeah, I'll take that one, thank you. So, is this the only way? I'm assuming it's not the only way to get the key. Yeah. Does anybody know? Is it the only way to get the key? Do I have to do this, or is it like an option? Like a little tiny shortcut? That's the thing. I'll upload the pendulum real quick. Real quick. I believe that's the only way. Oh, it is the only way. Oh. Alright, so that's not a shortcut, really. I'm gonna just go ahead and place it right away so that I don't have to carry extra stuff. If it's the only way, there's no point for me collecting the coins then, because I have to use them. That's stupid. Let's go upstairs. And why am I holding this knife? What? What? Already? Already chasing me? Seriously? Isn't he triggered when you pull in the plug from the bathtub? That's when he's triggered, no? Oh man. It's not the same game anymore.
I'm gonna make my little girl proud. There you are!
I have an idea. Oh, of course he got me already. I have an idea. I have an idea, I have an idea, I have an idea, I have an idea. I have an idea. Where is he? Actually, you know what? I have a great time. Where is he? Oh my goodness, man. Funny thing is that his clothes are immaculate. I know, right? Ah, it's true. When he grabs you, he's like shirtless and his face is half. Oh man, I thought I got rid of him. Did you beat this already on Madhouse, Grizzo? Because you know a lot about this already. And I like that. But no, this is not the same game. This is not the same game anymore. The game has changed so much.
No way out, you know.
It's not fair, huh? It's not the same game. Yeah, that's right, Mars. Exactly.
Yeah, piggy, piggy, piggy.
Come on, come get me. He's not gonna show up, is he? I'm over here, come on. He's not gonna follow me to the main hall. He won't follow me to the main...
Where are you?
Wow. At least you've beaten Jack. At least you've beaten Jack. At least you can walk around the house safely, kind of. I think I already have 3 coins, don't I? Should I just go ahead and use the coins? I have 3 coins. Should I just go ahead and use them to get the key? Because I can go ahead right here, right away. Right. Right. Am I wrong or am I right? I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. Let's see. Let's see what happens. You see, I already have 3 coins, and I don't have to use my... And I don't have to use my dirty coin.
I'm starting to get hungry again.
Are you kidding me? He's here now as well. He really is teleporting from one side to the other. He was downstairs, wasn't he? He was just downstairs. So it's safe now here? Look at all the coins I'm getting. Wow. Thank you.
You can't hide from me, boy.
He's here again.
This is all too fun.
Wow, the game is so different. Grizzo, you are so right. No wonder it's called a madhouse. It's driving me insane, huh? Boo! Oh no 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 no! Bye, have a great time. Bye, have a great time. Oh my goodness. He's not gonna follow me here, is he? He's not. He won't.
It won't be long before I find you and kill you.
Yeah, come over here. He's not gonna come this way. He won't. Now I know what you mean when you said teleporting. Because when I played the first two modes, easy and normal, it didn't feel like teleporting, really. It was just in the same area, walking around from one house. It didn't feel like, but now it does. Wow. Alright, here we go. Yes, please, come on. Vending machine, eh? You don't have enough space. Seriously? Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. Oh yeah, put the dog head over there. What do you mean, here you come? Wow, it's insane, man. Alright, so... I don't mind the fast molded. You mean the four-legged ones, yeah? I really don't mind those, actually. As long as you have a shotgun. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Am I gonna get the shotgun? Actually, I have to go back up again real quick. It's hard. I need to find a way.
Come out, wherever you are! Don't be scared.
He saw me.
It's over, boy.
I knew it!
You're wasting your time.
Haha! Hello, Jack! Because it's a save room! You spent 3 hours doing this, wow. That is not very encouraging.
Say, once family, always family.
Wow, have you tried this? Like he ignores you when you're here. So funny, and it's so So if he's downstairs real quick, maybe I can do it. Maybe I can pull this off. If he's downstairs right now, maybe it'll take a while before he spawns from one space to another. Am I right in saying that? But I am full inventory, you stupid idiot! And the problem I have is I am full again. I still can't pick up the shotgun. I'm gonna have to come back.
Who the hell is Zoe anyway?
I'm gonna have to come back. Unbelievable. Yeah, I found Grandma's false teeth. It's a trophy.
This is all too
Crap.
fun.
I am full. Separating agent. Hold on a sec. Hold on a sec. Nothing. I can't use the separating agent for now. Hold on. Can be combined with some items to create chem fluid into a usable item. Alright, so hold on. Combine with what? Nothing. 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 You know what the worst part is about this? Is that he can see you through windows. Yes, I know. Yeah, today week actually. I'm assuming you're from the UK, so well, actually today week now. Not today week. In 6 days actually. On Tuesday. It's coming out on Tuesday. I really love this note. All right, let's go.
I don't know what she sees in him.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. If I obtain the shotgun, it's gonna make things easier.
This gift is all I need.
He's not here now. He is teleporting. They really made it hard, eh? So, I'm gonna put this here, I don't need it for now, and I'm gonna put this here, I'm not gonna need it for now. Hold on! What if I wanna try something. Separating agent with the neurons. What happens? I would make chem fluid, yes? Oh, I made strong chemical fluid. Nice. Okay. Now, make ammo or make health? Ammo or health? I think health is imperative in this game. So, I'm gonna put the cassette tape in there. And, oops, I scared everyone. Let me erase that. What did you say? Ah, because you ate the brain. No, you didn't scare us off. Hey, Shalashaska. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I'm doing great. My blood pressure is a bit high, to be honest with you, because I'm playing this game on Madhouse, and it's insane. Wow. It's so different. It's nice. It's not just the difficulty, to be honest with you. I have to use my brains. I like it. Julian is scared. No, I'm scared. Not scared. Alright, what else can I remove? Nothing. Actually, I don't need this for now. I'm gonna move the key here. Let's go. Jack, if I can see you here, if I can spot you here, it would be fantastic, really. Is he right behind me? I'm scared. It feels like he's behind me. No, he's not.
You can't hide from me, boy.
I'm trying... Well, I was trying to make him see me, but never mind. Let's go upstairs real quick before he teleports. Because that's how it works now. He's teleporting upstairs right away. It's stupid, huh? But anyway. Come on, come on, come on. I just need... Really? Already upstairs? I can smell you. I can smell you. Oh, I'm sorry. I find that so funny. So, is there anything in here? No. He can see me through the windows. I need to be super broken shotgun. Thank you.
Where are you?
Please don't see me. I like to live. I can smell you. The only issue I have is the directional audio. It's really off. What direction? My audio? What do you mean? Is it something with my stream, you mean? Or something with the game? Oh, look, a box. I just realized there's a box here. Everything is so different, my goodness. You have high BP playing this game too, buddy. Yeah, but Shalashaska, are you playing it on Madhouse or just normal difficulty or maybe easy? No, please. Please, 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 please. Please, please, please. He managed to land a hit, huh? I don't like that. Did he just... He just jumped! He just jumped! He just jumped! Look, come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Come get me. Jack, come over here. Jack. Oh man. No, the way the game will switch to right sound when the character's on. Seriously, I haven't noticed that, to be honest with you. And I am on orange caution. Nice. Should I heal? I don't know. Should I heal? Can we combine to make... you know what? No. I saw an herb up there, and I missed it. I couldn't grab it. I know where there's an herb. I know where there's an herb. But it's so hard. Alright, so now that I have the shotgun... Should I heal? Let's heal. I don't want to risk getting hit by Jack again. I know.
Come out, wherever you are!
Run. No! No! He was right there in my face. Is he gonna come here? Ah! 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 No, 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 no. Take the shotgun. I'm gonna be safe. No! No! No, Jack! No! No, please! Please, please, Jack! No!
Like you?
There we go. Bye, have a great time.
What's only in
Oh my goodness! No, this is impossible. There we go. He snapped my neck because it's a thing.
You're alone, and now you're gonna die.
It's amazing. Wow. We are continents away. It's true. Oh my god. Where do I have to start again? Immortal Jack. Jack can be run away. The best known weapons run away. Yeah, I figured that. Where am I gonna start? It depends where I start. It depends where I start. Let's see. Wow. Wow. Hold on a sec. No! No! Alright guys, I'm gonna end this stream. That's it. There is no way I'm gonna do all that again. There is no... I mean, I am gonna do it again, but not on stream. It's impossible. It's gonna take forever. Watching the cutscenes. No way! No way! Oh man, seriously? You cheap game. No! No, 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 no. There's no way I'm gonna keep that up. No, I'm gonna continue this off camera because it's gonna take me hours to beat, and no, just nope, big nope, 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 nope. I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. I've been streaming for how long now? Almost 3 hours, and that's all it's gonna be. That's all it's gonna be because it's too much. No, 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 no. It was a blast. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for hanging out, guys. Next time I'm going to be streaming Resident Evil 7. Next time I'll stream it, I would have beaten this game on... what's it called? What's it called? It's called MADHOUSE, alright? Next time I stream this, I would have beaten MADHOUSE and I would have unlocked infinite ammo. I want infinite ammo. And I'll do a run infinite ammo, for sure. Or... if I don't do that by next Tuesday, I will be streaming the new DLC, for sure. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out. I appreciate you leaving a like before you head out. And I will see you next time. Ciao!